How to reset your Mac login password. So here is how to reset your Mac login password using official Apple method. So first of all you have to do is tap on the Apple icon available at the top left corner of your screen, and once you tap on it you will get to see a drop down menu appear. Now from the drop down all you have to do is select the system settings or system preferences according to your macOS version. Now once in there, from the left hand side panel scroll down and tap on the Touch ID and password option available in there. Once you tap on the Touch ID and password, you can see there is a change option available on your login password at the top. Now all you have to do is tap on the change. Now you can see old password, new password, verify password, password hint option available there. Now fill out the blanks. Enter the old password, then simply write down the new password and verify your new password as well. And if you want to provide some password hints, then you can do that as well. Then all you have to do is tap on the Save Changes button available and change it. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.